You know who wants your money? The guy who has all the money. That's right, Elon Musk has just launched X money on the X platform, and we will see that where it is kind of rudimentary at this point, as are most of the articles written about it, but the plans here go much further, much deeper, much wider, much broader than what is currently being proposed and executed by the team at X. And I think that it's going to open up an entirely different kind of economy, a micro economy, if you will. So, what we have here is an article from USA Today by Michelle Del Rey titled Elon Musk Launches X Money, X Branded Visa Card. And this will be sort of the outline of what is going on. And then we're going to get into some tweets and some stuff moving forward. Elon Musk launched a new banking adventure, X Money, along with an X branded Visa debit card, allowing users to send money to each other on the social media platform. X Money is invite only and it uses services provided by Cross River Bank. According to the X Money website, the feature is currently available to select users in the United States who are 18 or older. However, the company is working to expand access soon. It's unclear how eligibility is measured. What's X Money? X Money is a new fund transfer feature currently launched by the social media platform July 27th. Those invited to X Money will see the Money tab in the X app's sidebar. If users want to access the feature, they should tap it and follow the onboarding steps. Users should ensure their app is updated to the latest version to use the product. What are the benefits of X Money? Premium Plus users will be eligible for 6% APY when qualifying. Direct deposit requirements are met according to the feature's FAQs. So the CD that I just enrolled some of my money in was 3.4%. If you are trying to retire off of your stock market assets, they say that you want to sort of calculate that your assets will grow by 9% per year. So this X Money 6% APY is cutting it right in half. Now, from what I understand, to be eligible for that 6%, you have to automatically deposit $1,000 a month. So I'm not sure how many people will be on board for that, but it is something that's a very generous number, 6%. The X Visa debit card has the following benefits as listed on the feature's website. 3% cash back on eligible purchases, free cash withdrawals at any ATM worldwide, no foreign transaction fees, accepted everywhere Visa is accepted. Since Visa's zero liability policy protects the card, customers will not be held responsible for unauthorized charges. Then we get this summary from Sawyer Merritt, who, if you are interested in the Muskonomy, is absolutely indispensable. This tweet goes way back to June 29th. 6% back, or 6% on all cash deposited into X Money, no limit. Up to $10 million of aggregate FDIC coverage. From what I have seen, that is a slight lie. It is $9,999,999, not $10 million. But who's counting? Unlimited 3% cash back on all card purchases. Physical metal card. Card may be used anywhere Visa is accepted. X Money can also be used with Apple Pay. All your X Creator payouts paid out through X Money. There is a growing economy of people making money on X. Free wires, bill payments, checks, and more. Free ATM withdrawals. You get reimbursed for fees incurred at out-of-network machines. Very generous there as well. Visa's zero liability policy ensures you won't be held responsible for unauthorized card transactions. Early direct deposit. Receive your paycheck up to 2 days before your usual payday when you sign up for direct deposit. Instant P2P payments. Send, receive, or request money instantly from anyone on X. Then we get this from Tesla Economics. I just got access to X money. I still remember when everyone laughed at Elon when Elon said, "When I say payments, I actually mean someone's entire financial life. If it involves money, it'll be on our X platform, and soon it's going to be managing all my finances. It's really happening." This was July 20th. So we are here in August. This has gone wider market, but still limited in scope. When Elon Musk says, "I actually mean someone's entire financial life," he means it. You will do investing on X. You will get loans through X. You will have direct deposit to X. All of the CDs on X. All of these things will be available. All financial services will be available. The Everything app vision replace traditional banking. Build a centralized financial hub inside X supporting peer-to-peer payments, bill pay, securities, and loans. Integrate creator payouts, route creator earnings, tips, and subscriptions directly into internal balances by default. Deep platform integration, merge financial transactions seamlessly into the app's real-time chat and messaging systems. I said this will create a microeconomy. What do I mean by that? Well, everyone wants you to sign up for a subscription. No one wants to sign up for a subscription. Wall Street Journal, the New Yorker, all of these places want you to buy a monthly subscription, and they're failing because of it. I think that what is possible is a micro economy through the X platform whereby you can pay for individual articles, whereby you can buy individual pieces of media. I think that this is probably also going to spawn a new type of collectible, almost like the what were they? They were basically gifts that people were selling for thousands, hundreds of thousands, millions of dollars just a couple of years ago during the COVID pandemic. I can't remember what they were called even. The fad died so fast. But what is to say that something like that is not possible through X? Something like trading cards aren't possible through X. Something like exclusive gifts. You have Taylor Swift wants to have an exclusive gift to all of her fans, willing to dish out 10 cents. You buy it for 10 cents, X gets to keep 2 of them. Now you have a gift that is exclusive to you and anyone who paid for it. The one thing that I think is going to get in the way of X becoming the entire internet is that it's not very searchable. It's not very, there's very little serendipity here. If the X video feed were its own tab and set up like YouTube itself, I think that X could absolutely run the table. And I think that creators are sort of yearning for an alternative to YouTube, but everything that has been a prospective alternative to YouTube has kind of fizzled out at a certain level. X has the users. X has the install base. If they can get it figured out how to build a YouTube replacement and have it on its own blade inside the X app, guys, X might be the entire internet. X might be your entire financial life. So imagine what this does for Grok. All of this information, how does this build that artificial intelligence? There is a limiting factor here, and if you pay enough attention to Elon Musk, it seems that the limiting factor is engineers. It's people. He does not like to trust people. He does not like to trust people that are not absolutely exceptional. I think the stark truth here is most social media has been built by people that are fairly exceptional and run by people that might not be entirely exceptional. Twitter was afloat with the previous ownership, with the previous management team. Now, it was failing, it was crashing, it was Elon Musk overpaid for Twitter in a big way, but it was there, it was functional. So while I get it with SpaceX, while I get it with Tesla, I think that and while I understand why Elon Musk came in with a hammer and not a scalpel in order to get rid of the workflow and massive amounts of employees, I think that X is in a position now where, so long as you have quality control over the brand of individual that you are hiring, it might really help SpaceX AI, Grok, the X platform, to double the workforce. Because it seems that they just don't have the people pushing the buttons necessary to expedite some of these things that X is working on. He wants it to be the everything app. I think he means that. X Money is a big step in that direction. But if X is going to replace what was formerly known as the internet, then I think that it has to accelerate. That is what I have for this video. If you like or appreciate what it is that I do here, hitting the like button really does help me out. And as always, I hope to have you back for the next one.